Hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a house special mixed seafood fried rice. This is something I always have at home. My children love it, my family love it. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please remember to click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for that. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. To begin this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of golden basmati rice. I'm going to wash it for about 4 to 5 times until the water turns very clear and I'm sure it's very clean, and then we're ready to cook. You can definitely use whichever rice you prefer, but I normally just use golden basmati rice. So I'm going to wash it thoroughly until it's clean and clear. Well, once my rice is thoroughly clean, I'm going to put it in a pot and we're ready to cook the rice. So I'm going to be adding some flavors to this rice to give it color and a bit of taste. I'm adding 1 jug of water to the rice. That's just enough for what we need. And I'll add half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'll add a teaspoon of curry powder and a teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add a little bit of paprika, and I'll just add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's all we need for this rice. I'm going to mix them all together. Then I'll simply cover my pan and I'll allow it to cook. Now the cooking time should be between 10 to 12 minutes because you don't want the rice to be too soft. You want it to be just medium cooked, and that's perfectly ready. So I'm going to quickly fluff off the rice and I'll set it aside and allow it to cool down for now. In the meantime, I'm going to be using some mixed vegetables. So I'll throw that into a bowl. You can use as much or as little as you want depending on your quantity of rice. I'm also going to be using some mixed seafoods, and I'll just throw it into a bowl, and I'm going to add a little pinch of salt just to season that. Now it's time to begin the stir fry for our mixed seafood. So I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil to my pan. To these, I'm going to add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Just allow that to bring the oil to its flavor just for about 30 seconds or so, and that's just enough. Then I'm going to quickly add my mixed seafood straight into the oil. I'm going to fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'll keep stirring and stirring, and I'll fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes until everything is thoroughly fried properly. So the mixed seafood has been frying for a few minutes now, and that's ready. So I'm throwing in now my mixed vegetables, and I'm going to just continue to stir it all together. Now I'm going to be adding some flavor to this stir fry. So I'm using 2 stock cubes, and I'm also going to be adding a teaspoon of curry powder, a little bit of black pepper, and a bit of salt to taste. I'm also going to add some chopped onion and a little bit of spring onion, and I'm going to mix this all together just to make sure that the flavors are well combined. Once the flavors are well combined, I'm now going to add my last and final ingredient, which is the cooked rice. So I'm going to add the rice and I'll begin to stir fry and mix everything together, and this is what I call the house special. It is super simple and easy to make, yet absolutely delicious, and the whole family would love it. So I'm going to continue to stir fry this for a few minutes and just make sure all the flavors have come together in a quick, nice stir fry. This house special mixed seafood fried rice has been stir frying for a couple of minutes, and in no time at all, dinner is ready to serve. Can I just remind you, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, this is All Things Fab. Thanks for visiting, and do consider subscribing to my channel. Please remember to click the like button as well. Share this video with your friends and family. And thank you so much for spending time cooking along with me today. Do check out my playlist for more recipes. I'll see you again next Friday. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.